Damien Dupee, your #1 off-market land specialist. You are now tuned into the We Are Land Specialists YouTube channel, where I'm your host, Damien Dupee, and I'm going to bring you some epic wild content. I'm going to give you some wisdom, some insight to help your land business grow, help you do your first, second, or third deal. Okay, so thank you. I want to welcome you from my heart. Welcome. Thank you so much for checking me out. If it's your first time here, go ahead and subscribe. Turn your notification bell on so you won't miss any more epic wild content. And also, give me a big thumbs up, and I will really appreciate that. Okay. Today I'm going to be talking about what to do when a land seller ghosts you, or what to do when a land seller don't respond. I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on what to do, what I do personally in my business, and I know it'll help your business. All right, couple announcements before I get into this video, before I drop the sauce on you. First announcement, if you are local to the Charlotte market and you want to attend a meetup, holla at your boy, March 25th, 7 to 9 p.m. The link is in the description. Check me out. Would love to see you face to face. Second announcement is if you are looking to take your business to the next level, I would ask you to consider my course, $997. The price will go up real soon. So get in where you fit in. It's packed, action packed. I mean, you don't want to miss it. Okay, it's off the chain. Okay, so again, let's get right into this video. Thank you so much for your patience. I appreciate you. Today going to be talking about something very important, which happens a lot in this business. I'm sure you probably experienced it. You know, I've experienced it a ton. And I'm gonna tell you what I do to still get the deal. Okay, the first thing is I do is put them on a drip. Okay, a drip is a sequence follow-up setting which allows you to text them whenever you want to text them. So you can have a drip built out or a campaign built out where it says text them every week, and you can have a template to say, hey, this is Damien just following up, seeing if you want to sell. Day 1. Okay, the next week you can say something like, hey, I don't want to bother you, but if you're not considering selling this time, I just let me know, because I don't, want to keep, pressing you out or keep hitting you, you know what I'm saying? Try to give them a way out if they ain't trying to go, you know what I'm saying? But basically what this allows you to do is put your follow-up on autopilot when people ghost you, okay? So that's number 1. The system that I do it through is called REI Reply. It's about $49 a month. You can send mass text messages, mass emails. You can use it as a CRM. I actually use it for a CRM, and I don't send text messages no more. I only send sequences or campaigns or follow-up campaigns. So, but it's a great product. If you're looking, just getting started, actually, I have an affiliate with them. So if you want to get in the game, $49 a month. The link is in the description. I get a little kickback, but you help me help your channel grow, and I appreciate that. Okay, so basically what that system is, it allows you to drag and drop and build these templates. I mean, it's very user-friendly, very easy to do once you watch a couple training videos. Shouldn't take you too much time, and that's pretty much it. All right, so another thing you can do is wait a couple days and call from another number. I have multiple numbers in my business, and I was using CallRail, but right now I'm using Ring Central. So I got multiple numbers with Ring Central, and basically I can select which call ID I want to use when I'm calling these people. So sometimes I trick them. I wait like a day or two, and I call them from another number, and I sound like Medea. So I call them, I say, hello, and they be like, hello. They be knowing they messed up. It's call. I be like, Mr. Johnson. And then I talk to them and basically ask them, you know what I'm saying? Like, hey, are you still interested in selling a lot? Not, no worries. I appreciate it. You never want to seem thirsty. You always want to seem like you got so many opportunities. You don't got to say I have so many opportunities, but you always want to say like, hey, if you don't want to sell, no worries. I appreciate your time. Thank you for your time and consideration. You know what I'm saying? But you never want to seem thirsty like, hey, I can give you cash right now. I can come over your house right now with a contract. Like, you don't want to seem thirsty. You want people to not feel pressure, and you want people to feel, comfortable with doing business with you. So very important that you never seem thirsty. Another thing you can do is basically you can JV with somebody, okay? And I do this all the time. So other wholesalers that I know that's in a business or partners that I know, I'll just give them the lead. And I'll be like, man, we'll bust it down 50-50. And it works. It freaking works, man. It works. JVing with people, people that you trust, though. Make sure it's people you can trust. And make sure it's enough room on there where y'all both can make a decent little profit. At least a 10-piece, An 8-piece is cool, but, make sure it's a profit on there so, they can make a couple dollars. But, yeah, I do it all the time, and the other people are able to get the contract signed. So I'd be like, man, maybe it was my voice. Maybe it was my tone. Maybe it was my... I don't know what it was. But all I know is I still got the deal. So you definitely, when you're getting ghosted, it's normal. Don't feel like, you're messing up. Just be, kind of innovative and try some of these strategies. And these strategies will get you off the streets, meaning help you, get that opportunity. And that's all I got for you today. Appreciate y'all so much. I love the community. Love seeing people eat. Love seeing people, doing their first deal. If I could be, any help to anyone, please check me out. Emails in the description. Fully available to answer any questions you may have. You may have questions about my course, or you may have questions about anything, But yeah, check me out. Thank you so much for your time and consideration. And I'm gone like the wind.